yeah, no one would have done something like this, you know, just crazy, just climb, especially with slippers. Like, hang on, I gotta. What are those?
What's up? Good morning, Kill Squad. So, yeah, the time now is 6:37. I am up for my morning walk, listen to my podcast, and I'm going to exercise on the rooftop. But yeah, so I'm just going to go for a walk. I didn't want to take my big camera, so I'm shooting with my GoPro right now because obviously I haven't got permission to shoot the paper, so I don't want it to be like too noticeable that I'm filming places anyway. So yeah, undercover shit. Alright, let's have a good morning. See you later. If you want to know how these chairs are made, make sure you go check this video up. I tell you how it's made and who owns these chairs. It's so humid, so hot. I don't even need to work out, I'm sweating already. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the rooftop, hit a quick cardio workout because I haven't got a mat or anything to do sit-ups and things. So yeah, quick cardio, and then probably go wake up Nick. Let's go. What's up? So yeah, workout done. Now time to have a shower. That is better. Man's looking fresh now and things, but obviously as you guys know, I was shooting with my GoPro. It's time to switch it up. Ready? Time to get on my proper camera for the rest of the vlog. In 3, 2, 1.
That's much better now. Good morning, guys. Subah al-khair, subah wa naksin, goeiemorgen, guten morgen. You know, guys, hope you're having a beautiful day today because today is another adventure. We're just about to head off to the beach and then we're going to go on to somewhere else, but I'm not going to tell you, all right? So far, the trip has been amazing. I woke up, like I said, early, got lots of things done. You know, that's the KO motivation right there. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram and my YouTube. Trust me, my Instagram is lit. That's what you guys will see. It's kind of like a daily vlog, my Instagram, and then the vlogs will come like a week later. So make sure you follow my Instagram, yeah? I am Khalid Osman. Let's get this morning. Bye. What's up, guys? So spot number 2 on the KO tour, Batale Beach, or Batalale Beach, or I just call it Berbera Beach, as you guys know. So yeah, this is spot number 2. I'm gonna get the drone up in the sky and hopefully might go for a swim. I'm not too sure, but let's see how it goes.
Nick interacting with the locals.
So yeah, what's up, guys? So currently I think we're the photographers of the whole beach right now. Everyone's asking for photos and videos. It's like pretty funny, like when I come out here try to do all my vlogging, everyone's like, camera get that, like leave the camera, don't shoot me. But when you travel with like obviously an obvious tourist, like a white tourist, that must be the card, must be the white card, you know what I mean, that gets you access to take pictures everywhere. So I'm taking the advantage right now, getting as many photos and many videos as I can. But it's beautiful, man. like walking bare feet obviously. And I put my shoe in the car because obviously I don't want them to get stolen. So yeah, let's keep doing this. So yeah, driving the manual car, you know, I haven't driven this for a while. It feels good to have manual just like that. So yeah, we're gonna go further down a bit because when I fly my drone, I don't want too many distractions. So yeah, we're gonna go further. Of course, you got the 4-wheel drive, so you can have fun with it on 3rd gear, you know, on the soft sand. Before, the drone actually nearly took us out while we were not looking. That's why Nick was running. DJ KO obviously got to give that full culture experience, so got some Somali music blasting, and yeah, we're gonna get Nick's review in a few more songs. We'll get his review coming shortly. What up guys, so we are currently where?
We're on the top of a mountain. Almost, we're about to go to the
Can you
very
remember
top.
what it's called?
BUURTA SHEEKH.
Okay, you got the
Close
Sheikh
enough,
right.
yeah.
You got the close. BUURTA SHEEKH, yeah. So look behind us, beautiful mountains right now. So we're gonna enjoy it. We're gonna take it in. We're gonna get some B-rolls, and yeah, probably fly the drone. It's a bit windy, huh?
Super windy.
It's been like he's blowing his hair. You know, he has to keep it. His wig.
Ruining the One Direction
Yeah.
camera now.
All right, guys. We'll see you later. Be careful, they've got like them lizards, you know, like it comes from the same as the Komodo dragon family.
You're messing with me again.
No, they like live in between the cracks, so watch out, yeah?
Yeah.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop you fucking lying.
Yeah.
He's pranking me.
Guys from New Zealand say he's seen probably the craziest ones anyway.
No, we don't have
Oh, you don't have crazy stuff?
No, that's Australia.
Oh, okay. Woo! And that's how you do it, guys, right on top of the mountain. Beautiful, man. Yeah, no one would have done something like this, you know, just crazy, just climb, especially with slippers. Like, hang on, I got it. What are those?
You know, New Zealanders
You're
The like international flip-flop champions.
Really?
Yeah.
No, you're
Yeah,
playing.
no, yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna research. I'm gonna Google that when we get back.
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
His gun is on this side, so I come from this side. Oops.
Of course, that's the askari side. So let's try again. Hey, be careful. Don't get run over now, yeah? Stay safe, bruv. Stay safe. What up, guys? So we are back in the car. If you notice, we just drove straight through Sheikh because Sheikh doesn't really have much to see or do other than like the Sheikh school basically, and yeah, and no really good food places. So we're heading straight to Burco, but we did stop to get the mountains. We had to, from sea to mountain in like 30 minutes, and now Burco is like an hour away. KO tour, you know how we do, just we out here, and yeah, let's get this. So, what up, guys? We're in Burco right now at City Plaza, Burco City Plaza Hotel. So yeah, I think I can just stand in the middle room and just like give you like guys a 360 tour. All right, guys. So let's start. So of course we have the bed behind me, which I am gonna fix that mosquito net because I've killed 2 mosquitoes already. So that is definitely coming.
They're on the carpet! Got one over here! It's no good! There's too many of them!
Then we got the cupboard with the mirror. We got the TV, of course, you know, that's a must. And then we got the toilet. Let's go in the toilet. Of course, nice mirror. You got like that standing shower. Okay, I like that. Toilet in the corner. Soap and water, obviously. Soap and shampoo. Yeah, das must. Prayer mat. Cupboards just, I don't know, just empty obviously. Some paperwork. What is that actually? Woo! 5 procedures and things. Okay. Burco City Plaza Hotel. Fancy. No smoking obviously, but then they hide it, but that's okay. But that's fancy, I like that, okay. Yeah, safety first. Okay. Let's get this mosquito net up. See you in a bit. All right, so I think that's good. I got it all corners for sure. No mosquitoes are getting in. Maybe just, I don't know, maybe there, but hopefully they're not that smart here in Burco. But covered obviously all the sides there, and then just left for me to go in there. Then I'm gonna tuck in when I'm in bed. So that's how you put a mosquito net. 101. Anyway, gonna freshen up, pray, and then gonna meet Nick outside. See ya.